Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Amazon Fire tablet. While it is not available through the Amazon App Store, you can still enjoy the game with a few simple steps. First, ensure your tablet has at least 4 GB of free storage space and a compatible operating system. This preparation is crucial for a smooth installation and gameplay experience, so take a moment to check these requirements before proceeding. We will guide you through the entire process. Next, you will need to adjust a security setting on your Fire tablet. Navigate to your device's settings and enable the option for apps from unknown sources. This allows you to install applications not found in the Amazon App Store. Once enabled, open the Silk browser and visit the official Epic Games website. From there, you can download the Fortnite installer file directly to your tablet. Be sure to confirm the download when prompted. Now that you have the installer, find the downloaded file in your tablet's Downloads folder. Tap on it to start the installation of the Epic Games app. Once the Epic Games app is successfully installed, open it. Inside the app, you will find Fortnite listed among the available games. Select Fortnite and proceed with its download and installation. This step might take a little while, depending on your internet speed and tablet performance. To ensure the best possible experience, close any other applications running in the background before launching Fortnite. You might also want to adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality for smoother performance on your Fire tablet. For enhanced control and a more traditional gaming feel, consider connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller. With these tips, you are now ready to jump into the action and enjoy playing Fortnite on your Amazon Fire tablet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.